this brand new dynamic, as outlined by world-renowned coach and Racers Grand Prix boss Glenn Mills, really increased cost of appearance fee for international athletes. Listen to Coach Mills.
The price of athletes' appearance fee and so on keeps going up. And with the Grand Slam coming in with a new dimension of financial structure, you find that athletes, the managers and so on tend to ask some more and so on. The price goes up.
So after just one meet in the first season of Michael Johnson's Grand Slam event and Diamond League money gone up, athletes' appearance fee gone up already, just like that. That is saying to me that athletes were being underpaid, maybe even exploited before. Then what you mean? These athletes need to go and shake Michael Johnson's hand, yes, for shaking up the market. We stop pay the athletes chumps. Yes, story come. The months.